These cables is the most dangerous thing you can have in your car. This is how you damage your car computer, and you can burst even the battery. But that's not going to happen to you with this one, since it is super safe. And if the cables like the previous one were stuck together, nothing is going to happen. It does not sparkle if you connected the cables by mistake. Red with negative and black in positive. This is what happens. Nothing will simply give you an error message, communicating that they are more connected. But when you correctly connect your cables, black in the negative and red in the positive, the light will turn green, indicating that it is ready to use.